Space is a really interesting place, and we don't know a lot about it. However, the things that we do know are very, very fascinating. The International Space Station orbits the Earth once a day. But let's say you wanted to buy the International Space Station. How much will it cost? Well, you're probably not going to have a bank anymore because the International Space Station costs a bank bursting $100 billion. Although you may think that the universe is already formed, it's still expanding, and new stars are being created every single day. Even new galaxies are formed every single day. The universe has been expanding since the Big Bang, 13.8 billion years ago. However, this is not only a good thing because in the future, the universe might become so big that it collapses in on itself, and this would destroy the universe. In 2009, scientists found a nebula that tastes like, can you guess? Raspberries. Yep, you heard me right. Raspberries. The reason of why the nebula tastes like raspberries is because of a chemical called ethanol format. Earth is not the only planet with volcanoes. Other planets in our solar system have their own volcanoes. However, volcanoes can differ from planet to planet. Take, for example, Pluto. On Pluto, instead of volcanoes erupting lava, they erupt ice. This type of volcano is called a cryovolcano. Most people think that there's no gravity in space because the astronauts just float around. But really, if there was no gravity in space, why would the solar system exist? And why would the planets have a stable orbit around the sun? In the future, Mars might have its own rings because one of Mars's moons may crash into Mars and it may create rings just like Saturn.